Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, there were 452 travelers on a flight to New York. If they all paid the same amount and the total cost of all their air tickets is $17,904,624, how much does each traveler pay? Here, let us write first what is given. Number of travelers on a flight. There are 452. Total cost of air tickets. It is $17,904,624. Hence, cost of each traveler paid is given by 17,904,624 divided by 452. Now do this by long division. 17,904,624 divided by 452. Now 4 is here and 17 is here. So before 17 there is a 16 in 4's table, which is 4 times, but it is very nearer to 17. So we can check 3. So 452 into 3 is 3 2s are 16, 1 carry forward, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 is 3 5s are 15, 1 carry forward, 4 3s are 12 plus 1 is 13. 10 minus 6 is 4. We borrowed from here. So 8 minus 5 is 3 and 7 minus 4 is 3. Move this 4 down. Here 43 is there and 4 is there. So we can check 9. 9 2s are 18. 1 carry forward. 9 5s are 45 plus 1 is 46. 4 carry forward. 9 4s are 36 plus 4 is 40. Do the subtraction. 14 minus 8 is 6. Again we borrowed from here. 13 minus 6 is 7. Then 2 minus, we borrowed from here. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Now move this 6 down. So 2766. As 27 is there and 4 is there. So before 27 there is a 24 in 4's table, which is 6 times. So let us take 6. 6 2s are 12. 1 carry forward. 6 5s are 30 plus 1 is 31. 3 carry forward. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 is 27. Do the subtraction. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it is 54. Move this 2 down. 542 is there, as 5 is there and 4 is there. So we can check 1. 452. 2 minus 2 is 0. 14 minus 5 is 9. And 4 minus 4 is 0. Now move this 4 down. 9 is here and 4 is there. So before 9 there is 8 in 4's table, which is 2 times. So let us take 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. 1 carry forward. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. So here our quotient is $39,612. Hence, Each traveler will pay $39,612.